Managers can automate sending of Slack messages for new service requests in FacilityBot using a Zap template. To use this feature, log into your Zapier account. Click on Create New Zap. Select FacilityBot as a trigger that will start the Zap whenever something happens in the app. Connect your FacilityBot account. To do this, click Sign In. You will then be asked to enter the API key. It can be found on Integrations, Zapier, on the FacilityBot portal. Once entered, click on Yes, Continue. Choose the action to be taken whenever the trigger occurs. Select Send Slack Message. You will then be asked to connect your Slack account. You may also customize this app using the Setup action. Click on Publish Zap once all required fields have been filled in. Once the Zap is published, Zapier will automatically send a Slack message for new service requests created in FacilityBot.